going on here?
Just adjusting the pressures mode, just can't help myself.
What are you going to? What are we at? What are you going to?
They're at 20, I'd probably prefer to be 18. I'm a bit particular with my pressures, I just... all the years racing cars, it's just, yeah. Pressures are
the difference between your tyres actually working and not, and doing damage to your tyres. So
exactly, so
makes sense.
It's a bit of an unspoken art. It's quite often people just roll around, just doing whatever, but I think it's a really important one. Keep an eye on those pressures. From, you know, wake up in the morning, they're all cold, they'll drop. As you saw this morning, I sort of ramped mine up a bit. They got down to 14 actually this morning, so I think look at that. I mean, they're just chewing out. So drop them back down, find some more grip, save your tyres. Bit of traction.
There you go. Tyre pressure tips.